Okay, seventh grade. So I was surprised with how many of you did not do yesterday's assignment, even though you were here. So again, that's missing. It was 10 points. The short story you chose off Common Lit. So make sure if you haven't done that, you submit that. If you have submitted that, then the final project I choose is the folder you're going to go to first today. Today, you're choosing what topic you want to do your final project. There's going to be two choices of projects. One is going to be Scratch Coding, which is a coding site, and you're going to use your career topic to code that. So if I watched mine, there's my zoologist. I did that for fun. Click the flag, click the space moves. Then I click the down arrow. So this is just a start to show you what that would be like. Your project will have more involved to it, but you're coding out your career with characters, scenes, and etc. So that's one option. The other option involves what you used for a choice yesterday. You went into Common Lit and you found a topic um, or a story. And that's what the second method is based on. It's going to be a stop animation project. Stop animation is where you make multiple slides and you flip through them, and it looks like the characters are moving once you create like a movie. So that is the stop animation version. Oop. Okay. So I'm going to show you an example of that. I did mine just a real quick one on the ants and the grasshopper as a fairy tale. So I'm going to look up that one. And this was a really quick one. So this is not a full project, but I'll show you how it looks. You can see that I started it. There's the ants moving. There's the grasshopper coming in and talking. And you would keep going and telling the story. So you have two choices. You can use what you picked on Common Lit and eventually make a stop motion movie from it. Or you could do your career, which you already have all the research done on, and create a scratch coded project. So for today, all you have to do is come into that yellow final project I chose was folder. And today there's a quiz that says the final project I chose was, and you're either typing scratch coding or stop animation as your answer to today's question. Okay. So that's step one. And then step two, you're going to come in to the career folder, STEM career project, and I am going to publish day 5 questions. So it slides 19, 20, 21, and 22. The title slide 19 is called Reflection. And then each of the questions for slide 20, 21, and 22 are right here. And these are your personal answers. So these are not things that you have to research, but you do have to write in a sentence and you do have to explain why or why not. So, do you think personally this is a good career to have? Don't just say yes, say why. You might say it's based on how many jobs are available in this career because you did research on like what is the job outlook like in the future. There's 10,000 jobs in any given area for this, or the pay is extremely competitive and there's chance for advancement, or whatever your reasons are. But make sure there is a why or why not to your career answer. Okay. And if you finish that part in any amount of time that was early, then you can work on your code.org. Okay. So step one today, you're coming in, doing the final project I chose quiz, participation today, and then Black Career folder for your Canva project. Day 5, you should be at slide 22 by now. The last slide we'll have to do after slide 22 and day 5 is that we will be getting your works cited slide with those links formatted. And that will be the last step before we submit your career slides. Okay, so just giving you a heads up if you're not caught up to slide 22, now would be the time definitely to do that, because slide 23 will be our final slide, doing the works cited. If you have any questions, you can reach out via email, but that is what you're accomplishing today, and I'm hoping to be back on Friday. Okay, have a great afternoon.